Training to be simple. As the fish quivers when taken out from the water to a dry ground, so does the mind quivers when we have complicated thoughts. We are easily caught up with day-to-day thinking and habitually often filter out thoughts we don't like. Being complicated or overthinking is harmful to the mind because it makes us judgmental and adds to our ignorance. We are not our thoughts. It doesn't define who we are. It doesn't make us a mean person, a bad person, or a hopeless person. So, mind your thoughts and keep things simple. Training to be focused. It is quite normal for the monkey mind to jump around all over the place. Concentration is the ability to stay focused without getting distracted. When our attention wanders off, we need to gently bring it back with a kind and friendly manner. With time and repetition, we can train this monkey mind to be attentive and composed. Training to be wise. Sometimes we ignorantly think that happiness is long-lasting and it will not change. With wisdom, we know how to see things as they really are and have the right perspectives about life. By being curious and reflective, we are more accepting to uncertainties and displeasures. Some days, we might apply a little more effort to keep the mind well. Some days, it is effortless to stay balanced. With more practice, we come to know these different conditions and begin to understand what approach is required.